presence here today underscores your commitment to strengthening our bilateral relations. Over the past 3 years plus almost 4 years, we have made significant strides in our cooperation, particularly the fight against ADF terrorists. And as I said when we last met at Kasindi in May this year, the Operation Shujaa is an example of African solutions to African problems. Our joint efforts from the beginning of Operation Shujaa have yielded positive results. People have been able to abandon IDP camps and return to their homes. Schools have reopened. People have reclaimed their farms and gardens, and economic activity has restarted. All thanks to the achievements of Operation Shujaa. What we have achieved demonstrates the effectiveness of our collaboration and reaffirms our dedication to the peace and stability of our two countries and the region. The meeting yesterday between our two presidents, President Felix Tshisekedi and President Yoweri Museveni, further solidifies this position. Their discussions highlighted the importance of cooperation in promoting economic development and regional security. As we move forward together, allow me to emphasize that we need to continue to prioritize our partnership, focusing on eliminating barriers to our shared goals as we strive to consolidate peace and security. We'd also like, as we discussed in Kasindi also, we'd also like the joint training of UPDF and FADC soldiers at our mountain warfare training school to also commence as soon as we can, so that our soldiers have similar skills and they're able to be interoperable. They can operate with each other without any gap in terms of skills. I would like to thank you, General, and your fellow commanders for your efforts to counter the misinformation and propaganda that was targeting our joint operation. Once again, I thank you, General, for listening to me and for your commitment to our shared goals. I also appreciate the hospitality, the very good hospitality you have given our delegations when they visit Kinshasa. Your presence here today reinforces our mutual dedication to a safer and more prosperous region. Let's continue working together to achieve our shared objectives.
Je tiens à vous remercier d'abord pour l'accueil chaleureux.
I want to thank you, General, for the warm reception that was accorded to me,
que vous avez réservé à mon endroit et à mon équipe.
even including my delegation.
Je me sens vraiment chez moi, comme d'habitude.
I really feel at home.
Moi, je regarde ces rapprochements entre nos deux forces.
This is close relationship between our forces.
Et entre les deux commandants suprêmes.
And once again, in the same spirit, the cooperation between the two heads of state
Prouve réellement la volonté de changer beaucoup de choses.
It gives the willingness, shows the willingness to exchange on a lot of issues.
Et surtout dans la collaboration et la sécurité de nos deux pays.
Especially on the cooperation and the security.